Welcome to our video presentation on Occupational Health and Safety, or OHS. OHS refers to the legislation, policies, procedures, and activities that aim to protect the health, safety, and welfare of all people at the workplace. In this video, we will present the 10 important OHS guidelines to follow when working with computers. Number 1. Always power off the computer and unplug it before working on it. This will prevent electrical shock and damage to the computer. Number 2. Take away any liquid near your working area to avoid getting electrocuted or accidentally damaging computer parts. Liquids can cause short circuits and damage to the computer. Number 3. Be careful with tools that may cause short circuits. Use insulated tools and avoid touching any metal parts while working on the computer. Number 4. Always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. This will prevent static electricity from damaging the computer. Number 5. Do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place. This can damage the computer parts and cause them to malfunction.
before and after using it to maintain sanitation and prevent accidents. Dust and debris can accumulate on the computer and cause it to overheat. Number 7. Hold the components on the edges and do not touch the integrated circuit IC parts. This will prevent static electricity from damaging the IC parts. Number 8. Always wear personal protective equipment (PPE) in accordance with the organization's OHS procedures and practices. These may include safety glasses, gloves, and a lab coat. Number 9. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. This will prevent damage to the cable and the computer port. Number 10. Contingency measures during workplace accidents, fire, and other emergencies are recognized. Know the location of the fire extinguishers and the emergency exit.